What do you see as the correlation between what you do as a pilot, how you have to execute being a good pilot, and running a good business? What do you see as parallels between those two things?
Aviation regulation, it's often said that aviation regulation is written in blood. Means that people have died over the years and have caused regulation to come about. And as such, if you adhere to aviation regulation, naturally it becomes a way by which you live. In business, if we have to meet at 4 o'clock, to me that means sometime before 4 o'clock, but definitely at 4 o'clock, not later than 4 o'clock. To the average person, it means sometime around 4 o'clock. In aviation, flying airplanes, if you're asked to climb and maintain flight level 350, it's not somewhere around that altitude. Climb and maintain flight level 350, that's repeated at least 3 times between air traffic control and the pilots, who all agree collectively that is the directive that they were given and they should follow before executing that directive. So a lot of that has followed me into my business life, where there is a much higher level of attention paid to detail than one would ordinarily think would be the case.
Yeah, listen, I get that a ton. And we talked a little briefly about the importance to a pilot of checklists.
Yes.
And if anyone's read the book, The Checklist Manifesto, right? Checklist, define process, making sure that I say something, are we on the same page? Just like you said, hey, pilot, flight level 350, climb and maintain 350, you repeat back. Climb and maintain 350, they repeat back, right? And that's a great communication cadence that's just so helpful in business. And we often use a lot of times in business, at least when I was starting my business, kind of aviation stuff, right? Getting off the ground, takeoff, you're trying to fix the plane while you're flying it. There's a lot of airline metaphors in business. So it's interesting to kind of ask that question from you, because you got both perspectives.